Imagine a world where you hold the key to your own peace and harmony. A world where you are the master of your emotions, your reactions, and your overall well-being. This is not a fantasy, but a reality that can be achieved with the power of an ancient Hawaiian practice known as the Hooponopono technique. This technique, shrouded in mystery and steeped in the wisdom of centuries, has the potential to transform your life in ways you could never imagine. It centers around 4 simple phrases that carry profound meaning. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. Now, you might be wondering how these 4 phrases can make such a significant impact on your life. Here's how. The first step in the Hooponopono technique is introspection. Reflect on your thoughts, actions, and emotions. The technique encourages you to take responsibility for everything that happens in your life. Yes, everything. This might seem daunting, but it is a powerful step towards healing and growth. Next, you move to the phase of repentance. Say to yourself, I'm sorry. This is not about wallowing in guilt or regret. It's about acknowledging your role in your experiences and expressing regret for any harm caused, intentional or not. Then comes the phase of asking for forgiveness. Please forgive me. This is not about seeking forgiveness from others, but from yourself. It's an acknowledgement of your past mistakes and a commitment to learn and grow from them. Following this, express gratitude by saying, thank you. This is a reminder to be grateful for the experiences that have shaped you, the lessons you've learned, and the growth you've experienced. Gratitude has a powerful way of shifting your perspective and bringing positivity into your life. Finally, declare your love for yourself. I love you. This is perhaps the most powerful of all. Self-love is the beginning of all healing. It is about accepting yourself, flaws and all, and treating yourself with kindness and respect. As you go through these steps, visualize the words and emotions flowing from you and filling the universe around you. Feel the release of negative energy and the influx of positivity and peace. Now, take a moment and think about how this could benefit you. Imagine a life where you are in control of your emotions, where you can maintain your peace amidst chaos, where you can forgive yourself and move forward with love and gratitude. The Hooponopono technique is not just a practice, but a journey towards self-healing, self-love, and self-growth. It's a journey that can lead you to a life of harmony, peace, and happiness. In the grand tapestry of life, we all face challenges and struggles, but we also hold the power to shape our reactions and our emotions. The Hooponopono technique offers a path to harness this power, to take control of our lives, and to embark on a journey of healing and growth. So dare to take this journey. Dare to take control. Dare to heal, love, and grow. The power is in your hands. The power is in you.